Want to stay strong, flexible and energized, all from the comfort of your home? Let's get moving together in just 10 minutes. In this video, we'll guide you through a 10-minute indoor walking workout specifically designed for seniors and beginner exercises. Staying active is essential for maintaining good health, and this workout is a perfect way to get your body moving safely and effectively. It's low impact, easy on your joints, and works on strengthening key muscle groups, improving balance and boosting cardiovascular health. Whether you're a senior looking to maintain mobility or a beginner wanting to build stamina, this workout will help you feel energized and confident. These exercises focus on areas such as the legs, core, arms and posture, helping you improve overall fitness. So, let's get started and make the most of these 10 minutes to move and feel great. Where are you from? Please leave a comment to let me know. It's nice to know that we see each other all over the world. If you are new here, please subscribe and enjoy the video. Before we continue, please note that this content is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your lifestyle, diet or medications. Number 1, marching in place. Marching in place is a simple yet effective way to start your indoor walking workout. This low-impact exercise is ideal for seniors and beginners, providing a gentle warm-up to raise your heart rate and improve circulation. To begin, stand tall with your feet shoulder-thin apart and start lifting your knees alternately as you march in place. This movement engages your leg muscles, improves posture and activates your core. Additionally, marching in place helps loosen up your hips, knees and ankles, making it a great option for joint mobility. By maintaining proper posture and swinging your arms naturally, you'll enhance the overall effectiveness, improving cardiovascular health and muscle activation. It's also a great way to loosen up before more intense exercises, as it gradually warms up your body for the movements ahead. With regular practice, marching in place can help you improve overall endurance and stamina, making it a vital part of your fitness routine. Number 2, out and in steps. Out and in steps are excellent for working the muscles of your legs, especially the thighs, calves and hips. Start by stepping your right foot out to the side, followed by your left, and then bring both feet back together. Repeat this motion, alternating legs. This exercise works on balance, coordination and flexibility, while targeting the lateral muscles of the body. As you step side to side, it's essential to keep your core engaged for stability. These lateral movements are particularly beneficial for improving hip mobility and strengthening the muscles that support walking. It's also a fun way to challenge your body with something beyond just forward movements, promoting overall body strength and flexibility. Performing this move regularly can also improve joint stability, preventing injuries. By adding the side-to-side motion, you'll work on different muscle groups, helping you achieve a balanced and well-rounded fitness routine. This exercise not only enhances mobility, but also boosts cardiovascular fitness. Comment yes if you're ready to challenge your body with these out and in steps and improve your leg strength and mobility. Number 3, side steps with arm movements. Adding arm movements to your side steps is a great way to increase the intensity of the exercise while working on coordination. Begin by stepping to the right with your right foot and raising both arms overhead as you step. Bring your arms down as you step to the left. This exercise targets the glutes, thighs and hip flexors, while the arm movement engages the shoulders, arms and chest. The combined movement engages cardiovascular fitness, balance and coordination. Engaging the upper body in sync with your lower body adds more variety to the workout and strengthens your entire body. The rhythm also boosts brain activity, improving coordination between your limbs and enhancing body awareness. By incorporating this into your routine, you're improving both lower and upper body strength. These side steps also help with better posture and stability, reducing the risk of falls. The dynamic arm movements further engage your core and can help tighten and tone your torso. There we go. Number 4, bicep curls while marching. Marching with bicep curls is a fantastic way to combine strength training with cardio, helping you engage both the upper and lower body simultaneously. Begin by marching in place while curling your arms up to shoulder height, keeping your elbows close to your sides. This movement targets the biceps and forearms while continuing to engage the core and legs. As you march, focus on maintaining an upright posture and controlled movement. Bicep curls while marching help increase blood circulation, tone the arms, and improve overall muscle endurance. It's an excellent way to build upper body strength without needing any weights, making it a perfect exercise for seniors or beginners. This combination of movements keeps your heart rate elevated while simultaneously strengthening your arms. By integrating bicep curls with marching, you create a full body workout that enhances cardiovascular health and boosts overall body coordination. The repetition of arm movements strengthens the muscles of the arms and helps prevent the loss of muscle mass with age. And steady. If you love the idea of building strength and stamina with bicep curls while marching. Number 5, heel touches forward. Heel touches forward are a simple yet effective exercise for strengthening the legs and improving flexibility. To do this exercise, step forward with your right foot and tap your left heel gently to the ground. Alternate legs with each step. The motion works the calves, hamstrings, and quadriceps, which are essential for daily activities like walking, standing, and climbing stairs. Heel touches also challenge your balance and coordination, helping to stabilize the muscles around your ankles and knees. Keeping your posture straight and core engaged during the movement will improve muscle activation and help maintain good balance, preventing falls and improving mobility. This movement is excellent for enhancing ankle mobility, which is key for preventing stiffness and promoting flexibility in the lower body. You can increase the difficulty by stepping forward a little more forcefully, which will engage your muscles further. Heel touches also activate the core, providing a mild abdominal workout while focusing on the lower body. Number 6, knee lifts. Knee lifts are an excellent exercise for strengthening the core and hip flexors while improving balance and coordination. Begin by standing tall and lifting your right knee towards your chest. As you do this, engage your core muscles to maintain balance and keep your posture upright. This exercise helps improve the flexibility of the hip joint while strengthening the muscles that support it, which is crucial for activities like walking and getting up from a chair. If you find it difficult to touch your knee, that's okay. Simply focus on lifting it as much as possible and maintaining good posture. Knee lifts are an easy way to improve stability and mobility with minimal effort. The movement engages your hip flexors and abdominal muscles, supporting better posture and flexibility. Over time, knee lifts can help reduce the risk of falls by improving leg strength and balance. For an added challenge, try holding your knee up for a moment before lowering it, activating your core and engaging your muscles more effectively. Comment lift and balance if you believe strong legs and good stability are key to staying active. Number 7, heel touches again. Repeat the heel touches forward to continue working on leg strength, balance, and coordination. Start by stepping forward with one foot and tapping the opposite heel to the ground. Alternate legs as you go and focus on maintaining control of your movements. This exercise primarily targets the calves, hamstrings, and quadriceps, promoting strength in your lower body. Heel touches also engage the core muscles, helping improve overall balance and posture. To make the exercise more challenging, you can increase the range of motion or step forward more forcefully. Heel touches are an excellent way to keep your legs strong and flexible while improving your overall cardiovascular health. Repeating this movement will further enhance your muscle memory and body coordination. The heel touches help stimulate blood flow to the lower limbs and promote flexibility in the ankles and knees, ensuring better mobility. As you continue with this exercise, it helps improve joint function and contributes to long-term mobility and independence. Number 8, crisscross arm movements. Crisscross arm movements while marching are a fun and effective way to engage your upper body and improve coordination. Begin by marching in place, and as you do, cross your arms in front of your body in an alternating motion. This exercise targets the shoulders, arms and upper back, while also challenging your brain to coordinate the movements of your arms and legs. The crisscross motion boosts cardiovascular fitness and promotes coordination between the upper and lower body. It's also great for improving upper body strength, flexibility and muscle tone. If you feel comfortable, you can increase the speed of the crisscross motion to intensify the exercise and further elevate your heart rate. The added complexity of crossing your arms strengthens both your mental and physical coordination, giving you a more dynamic workout. By continuing this move, you're engaging your upper body while keeping the heart rate elevated, which benefits cardiovascular health and muscle strength. Comment cross it strong if you love exercises that boost both your body strength and brain power. Number 9, marching forward and backward. Marching forward and backward is an excellent way to engage different muscle groups and improve balance. Start by stepping forward with your right foot, followed by your left, and then reverse the motion by stepping backward. This movement works the calves, hamstrings, and glutes, while also challenging your balance and coordination. Marching backward is particularly beneficial for strengthening the posterior chain, the muscles along the back of your body, including the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. It also helps improve spatial awareness and mobility. By adding this reverse movement to your workout, you're targeting different muscle groups and enhancing your overall stability and strength. The backward motion encourages the activation of muscles that may not be engaged as much during forward movements. This variation in your routine adds functional strength and promotes greater movement efficiency and balance. Number 10, side steps. Side steps are great for targeting the outer thighs, hips and glutes. Start by stepping to the right with your right foot and bringing your left foot to meet it. Then repeat on the left side. This exercise strengthens the muscles of the lower body while also improving flexibility and balance. The side stepping motion engages the hips and glutes, which are crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing falls. To increase the intensity, you can step wider or add a slight bend to your knees, which will engage your muscles even more. Side steps also promote better hip mobility, which is important for walking and performing everyday activities. By focusing on lateral movements, you develop functional strength that supports better movement patterns for daily life. Side steps improve lower body strength, coordination and overall agility, helping maintain independence and mobility. Comment step strong, stay strong if you believe steps are key to better balance and mobility. Congratulations on completing this 10-minute indoor walking workout. You've worked your muscles, improved your balance and boosted your heart health in just a short amount of time. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate these exercises into your routine a few times a week for lasting benefits. Whether you're just starting out or looking to maintain your mobility, these exercises will help you stay active and feel great. Keep moving, stay strong, and remember, every step you take, is a step toward better health. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fit and healthy, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts and tips.